Welcome to Cardano over coffee. Please remember to join us live Monday through Friday on Twitter Spaces, 9:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, 1:30 p.m. UTC. Remember to like and subscribe to our YouTube and download our podcast on all major platforms. Today we have Game Changer Wallet. They're building the wallet for the ultimate crypto experience with native NFT and token features, all powered by Cardano. Don't forget, we'd like to see you at Rare Evo in Denver, Colorado, August 24th through the 26th. Get your tickets at rareevo.io. Use discount code COC10 for 10% off your cost. Grab your coffee. Let's listen in and find out if Game Changer Wallet is actually a game changer.
Ooh, we have to game changer.
Let's get the emojis. Clap, clap, heart, heart. What's up with lighting?
Hey, with this
Game changer. Welcome.
Hey everyone. How are you? Thanks a lot for inviting.
Good
Thanks
morning.
for being here. I hear you guys are doing cool shit, but we'll get to that in a minute. How are you?
Well, I have just ended my coffee, so I guess I am ready. No, I'm perfect. And happy, very happy with all the news and to be sharing with the community all the stuff we're doing. So yeah, these are
nice.
exciting times.
And just to confirm, you are not drunk, correct?
No, that's not the exact definition of what's happening.
You don't have to. You don't have to answer that.
No.
Yeah, he's on coffee. What kind of coffee do you drink?
I don't know. Typical coffee here, instant. How do you say, guys? Instant coffee. Not any coffee. We say instantaneous. I don't know how to say. You know, the one that is
Instant
coffee.
Instant coffee, yes.
What's your shock? You're drinking instant coffee instead of Cardano for coffee.
Well, because I will die of caffeine. I drink a lot of coffee in the entire day, so I need something a bit more soft because I will die one day of caffeine. You know.
Oh, we don't want that. So stick to your instant coffee then. That's good.
Nice. Well, let's get into the show. Tell us about the team. Who are you, and what does Quazar has to do with this, and who else is on the team?
Okay, I barely know who I am, but I definitively don't know what Q is doing here. No. Well, I'm the founder, the crazy guy behind this project. Quasar is I don't know, my wingman, my left hand. He's all the time sharing the work, working with the community, helping the community to reach the wallet, to use the wallet, to learn the new features, to connect the project with other projects. So he is a great addition to the team. I don't remember exactly when he started with us, but it seems like for ages. we are friends. We can be friends with Quasar. That's possible. So thanks you for everything. And well, the team is mostly at least me at the keyboard. Then we have it's a mix of a team and a collab. For example, with Dandelion APIs. Roberto Morano has been the first ally, the first partner, the first friend I had here on Cardano. Thanks to all his work with these APIs that he offered to the community in a decentralized way, or trying to be as decentralized as possible. This project, for those who don't know about it, it born from Gimba Labs, this amazing community dedicated to education here on Cardano. And well, when you need to connect, you're building software that interacts with the blockchain. We all know that the blockchain is huge. It can have a lot of information stored there. So we cannot have, for example, all that information in our browsers. So, for example, these bridges, these intermediates that allow us to connect to the blockchain are these servers, these services with APIs that we call, that is a way to interact with them, that are crucial to our daily work. So what Roberto did, he said, okay, let's offer these free and open as possible to the community to start building right away on Cardano and to learn on Cardano. And thanks to that, Game Changer exists since the very first days of the wallet. And well, that's a bit the story behind the team. Then we have Javi Ribo, that is also from Spain. Both Roberto and Javi are from Spain, and he has been helping me with the code when he have time to share with the project, because it's hard. Sometimes we all have our works and our lives, and but yeah, Javi also has helped a lot. That's the team mostly. Then we have some partners or friends. We shared some projects with them, like for example, Martin Menier. We have very crazy hardware devices with him connecting to Cardano. That's the closest people around us. So yeah. And what was the other question?
No, I think that was it. Sweet. Sounds like cool folks building cool stuff. What did you do before Cardano?
Well, before Cardano, I have two passions on my life. I've been coding since very early ages. I've been, I'm a full stack developer. I've been building a lot of independent projects, and before Cardano, I was also into the fintech sector, into the idea of building wallets. I was building a wallet that was 100% centralized. That was not ideal in that regard. That was on my country, Argentina. It was a project with our fiat money on the country, and it was a wallet that had like a main purpose, that was to serve as a payment solution for the parking. For example, parking slots, public parking slots, and private as well. So that was the project. And before that, I was mixing my two passions. My other passion is filmmaking, is movies. So I was, for example, building some crazy hardware to actually shoot my last short film that was a stop motion short film. I've been building, I don't know, my entire life. I'm a builder, I guess. And well,
super cool.
I have done.
Vos sos argentino.
Yeah.
Is that what you say? You're from Argentina?
Oh my God. Sí, soy de Argentina.
Oh, Argentina, che. Yo soy venezolana.
Bueno,
And now, ladies and gentlemen, the rest of this interview will be
yes,
conducted in
in Spanish.
Spanish.
I'm sorry, we are switching
Yes.
to Spanish now. Thanks, everybody, for coming. Un gusto. A pleasure.
Un placer. Aquí también. No sabía que eras argentino.
That's
So
good
just
because I guess I'm speaking English well.
I couldn't pinpoint the accent, actually. Yeah, no, I didn't know you were from Argentina. So, yeah, that's cool.
Okay, thanks.
just turn on your caption, guys. You'll be fine. Just turn on the closed caption.
No.
You should be able to follow them. Well, what is Game Changer? What is the? Give us the short 30-second
Wow.
pitch for what Game Changer is, and then we can get into the details.
Okay, so well, Game Changer is like an like a cutting edge wallet that tries to put Cardano in your hands, if I can say it that way. It's not a replica of other stuff. It tries to be very native to Cardano, based on what Cardano is. Okay, that's that.
Okay.
It's okay. Well, and about the wallet in general, this is a web light wallet. It's a web wallet. I mean, as in a web app, a progressive web app. It's not a browser extension. It's not an app that you have to install on your, for example, on your mobile. By being a web app, is accessible on any device that has a browser. So you can have it on your mobile, you can have it on desktop, and there are some experiments where people have been loading the wallet on even a smart fridge. And for example, with Martin Menier, this friend of us that is building hardware, we built that it was a Catalyst project. We built like I can describe it like an ATM that has the wallet inside. So you can have manage your funds and do a lot of Cardano stuff on public terminals. Of course, we adapt the wallet to fit on that use cases, right? That's why we have a lot of QR codes. I mean, you can do almost everything with QR codes on our wallet, like from loading your wallet with a password, from actually connecting to the apps and executing stuff. So that's why we love QR codes, because our wallet also is a bit prepared to work embedded on devices. That's why.
Great. So we're gonna get into some of those specific stuff or whatever else you want to talk about. But then at the end of our time together, I will ask you about this again, and let's see if you can do it in 30 seconds. So be thinking about your 30-second response of what this Game Changer wallet is.
It's impossible to me to talk in 30 seconds. Come on, guys. I'm not a native English speaker. I can do it 30 seconds in Spanish if you want.
Oh, you should do that. Yes. 30 seconds in Spanish at the end.
Okay.
So did you want to talk about anything particular with Game Changer, or should we just get into questions?
No, something that I discovered that is good to mention regarding the wallet, because this wallet is very different from the other ones. But I want to clarify, and this is what I wanted to say, that because we speak different languages, that doesn't mean that we cannot do the same things, right? We can speak in Spanish, but we can still speak. We can still, of course, say the same things we can say in English. So this is the same with Game Changer. It's a different wallet that solves stuff in a different way, that give you a lot of wings, if you want, on some aspects, but maybe on a different way. So that I want just to keep that in mind. We can move forward if you want.
That's great to keep in mind. Also, I'm pretty sure in the United States, anyways, Red Bull, the energy drink, is the thing that gives you wings. So you might just want to check with your lawyers on that one, on whether you can say Game Changer gives you wings. They might have that copyrighted or something.
Having Cardano in your hands, it sounds like MasterCard. Yeah, I know. We are screwed.
But you can say wings will give you. Yeah.
Oh, there you go. If anybody else has some questions,
yes, I was gonna say Quazar. Quazar, it talks about Game Changer wallet every minute, every second. So I want to hear what you have to say now.
Thank you, and I'm going to give it a shot. What Game Changer is? Game Changer is a number one. It's a passion project, and something that Adriano that's become the love of his life and his life mission. But it's a wallet designed to onboard people as quick as possible, as fast as possible, under the most limited conditions all over the world, for people in South America, Africa, Southeast Asia, the global South, if you will. But everybody that needs crypto needs to be able to get onboarded as quick as possible. So that's the reason for some of the design. And that's just getting the crypto. All you need is a link, and you've got a burner wallet, and you're ready to go. Nobody else can do that. You can onboard anyone faster to crypto than through Game Changer. Now, on the other hand, it's Game Changer's a developer's wallet and an educating tool. You can learn how to do NFTs, mints, create metadata. A lot of people use Game Changer to go and check metadata, which that's awesome as well. You can create NFTs there.
That was 42 seconds.
Okay, I'm going to stop there. But with V2, the beta, I'm going to pop a link up. That's where it gets really crazy. It's the most amazing thing I've seen at all on Cardano.
It's the most amazing thing he's seen on Cardano. Clearly, he hasn't seen Jenny.
No, I'm a sweetheart.
Whoa. I'm talking non-human actors here. Jenny's all human.
Okay, sounds great. Let's get to the main feature. So on the website, it says the main feature. Oh, did you have something else, Jenny?
No. Well, I mean, I have to try this. I'm just curious about the minting. I've heard you say this before, that you can mint from the wallet.
Jenny, I will have you mint during the show through a burner wallet. Lido, I was going to go through the features as well, but maybe it's up to Adriano. But maybe the beta V2 is the features to go through, as opposed to what's mainnet right now, what you can currently use, perhaps, if you haven't looked at all of those.
So you're saying instead of getting users right now, we should tell them to wait 2 weeks or 3 weeks?
No. The wallet is ready right now. So you host. Yes, absolutely.
Yeah. Is the beta on mainnet?
Yeah, so that's exactly what Q says. So we have two versions right now. We have our we can say production version on mainnet and also on pre-production testnet. But because the beta, the version 2 of the wallet is a huge jump to the future of the wallet, we are handling it as a beta launch, a separate thing for now. So, and it's these days is this beta version is on the pre-production testnet only. That's the situation with the releases, with the versions. Yeah.
Well, we have 10 minutes. What should we talk about? The stuff that's coming up or the stuff people can do today?
Now, super quick, then I will enumerate all the new stuff. Okay.
Okay. Yes.
Okay. Well, version 1 had a nice way to connect to the world, let's say. This thing we usually call the app connector, but it was very, very, very limited. So following that idea, after a year of work, we end up having a super powerful the app connector now on the beta, right? On the new version of the wallet. And everything I'm going to mention now is around or thanks, I mean, it's possible thanks to that main feature, the new way to connect with the wallet. And this way to connect with the wallet it requires a bit of programming. So for those who are more technical users, it's a DSL, a domain specific language to talk to the wallet. And you can do a lot of stuff, from creating multiple accounts, doing multi-sig, from handling multiple transactions at the same time. There is a huge list of features. Everything the wallet offers to you in the UI, on the graphical interface, is also available on this the app connector. Okay, and well, now I'm going to talk a bit fast about each of these features. So now the wallet is multi-account capable, meaning that you can have pretty much, I mean, in a similar way as, for example, Eternal Wallet is handling child wallets. You can have child addresses wallets on Game Changer, but there is a huge difference that these are purpose driven. So you can design how you want the wallet to look like, and not just you as a user, but also your DApps can do that on your wallet if you allow it, of course. And this is nice because you can just focus on what is important to you. And if you, for example, if you're dealing with a DAO, you can have all this workspace, this way to configure your wallet thought or based on your DAO. But then maybe you want to switch to your I don't know, 5 child wallets that you like to delegate to different pools at the same time. So you can then switch to that workspace, and you can just focus on those 5 wallets and nothing more. You don't care about the DAO. You don't care about anything else. So that's the user experience now on Game Changer. Is purpose focused. So you decide what you want to do, and you are actually watching that. Then we have native multi-sig support. So I've been hearing the guys of Salmon. So congratulations for the project. It's cool. We have some support to some of the stuff they are handling as well, with the difference that is native to the wallet. So we think, for example, DAOs, communities, multisig in general, things that need more than one key to move on. And I say things because it's not only transactions what we are talking here. So this is another thing. So if you have multisig native support on a wallet, it means that you can the wallet does not care if you are an entire DAO or if you're a single user. You can still, for example, use the same features you use on the wallet. And even you can connect to DApps as if you were a user, but you are actually a DAO. So that's the user experience now on Game Changer. We don't have 100% full support for this. We are working on it during the beta, but we will have it very, very soon. And well, and another important topic is that we are multi-transaction native, meaning that you're all used to use, for example, one transaction per time. For example, you connect to, I don't know, to a DApp and you are asked to sign one transaction, right? Well, because of the use cases we need to have on Game Changer, now we are multi-transaction native. You're going to be presented sometimes with more than one transaction to be signed. The request, right, to the users. Hey, do you want to sign instead of one transaction? I don't know, 10, 15, whatever. And it's native. It's native support for that. And thanks to the multi-transaction, we can, for example, solve some multi-sig stuff. You can do multi-sig over multiple transactions at the same time. And also, we have this important thing that allows a lot of other inner stuff and stuff to all of you, because, as I said, it's offered to DApps, to builders as well. We have created a protocol that can turn Cardano into a huge hard drive, right? So you can store files on Cardano. You can put names on them. You can run searches to find the files you want to find. And if we talk in this language, files, something that we all know pretty well, imagine the applications we can build. We can start storing some information on chain. Of course, not everything. Cardano is not meant to have a pretty well file storage experience, but we're storing a lot of stuff anyway on Cardano. So if we do it in a careful, clever way, so we can avoid writing the same files once and again, for example, and we can update these files properly, well, we have a file system. And applications can benefit from it. You can have maybe 100% on-chain applications. And this is huge. So what I'm saying right now is that we can have now censorship-resistant applications on Cardano. Because, if something is on-chain, the only way to break that thing, to stop it, is to actually destroy the chain. This is huge. This will allow a lot of stuff. And well, I don't know, maybe I have some more features to mention, but these are the most important ones.
Thanks for listening to Cardano Over Coffee, and a special thanks to our guest, Game Changer Wallet. Make sure to check out what they're building. Don't forget, we'll be at Rare Evo at Denver, Colorado, August 24th through the 26th. RareEvo.io to get your tickets. Use discount code COC10 for 10% off.